In this lesson, we'll solve for x in a couple of logarithmic equations. In the first equation, we've got 18 equals 5 log x. So we've got to get rid of that x somehow. And we know that there's some weird glue attached between the log and the x. So let's start with a 5. This 5 is attached to the log x by multiplication. So we can move that 5 over. Let's do that first. By moving it to the other side, opposite of multiplication is division. So on your calculator, you're going to figure out 18 divided by 5. And I'm getting 3 decimal 6. So 3 decimal 6 equals log x. Okay, then the next thing is we're going to solve for x. So look on your calculator. We're going to be moving this log to the other side. So look on your calculator, and you'll see right on top of the log, it says 10 to the x. So that's the opposite of log. So x equals 10 to the 3.6. So again, we're moving log, over the other side, and the opposite of that, looking on your calculator, is 10 to the power of. So on your calculator, 10 to the power of 3.6, and I'm rounding off to 1 decimal place, 3,981, and it's 0.07, so I'm going to make this 0.1. The next question, solve for x in this equation. Same idea, except this time we're working with an ln. Same thing, there's special glue there between the ln and the x, and we're going to have to know what the opposite of ln is to work with this. But for starters, let's move that 3. That 3 is attached to the ln by multiplication. So we're going to move that over the other side by dividing. So 57 divided by 3, and I'm getting 19 equals ln x. Okay, now opposite of ln. Look on your calculator, and you'll see right on top of the ln button, there's an e to the x button. So opposite of ln is e to the 19 equals x. So what I did is I moved ln to the other side, and you have to do the opposite. So opposite of ln is e to the power of. All right, on my calculator, I'm going to work out e to the 19. So second function, ln 19. And I'm getting a really big number, 178,482,301 equals x.